How to transfer money to a Wise bank account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money to a Wise bank account. You can pay in USD with your debit card or credit card, or send the money from your online banking. Then, select who you want to send the money to and which payout method to use. The recipient gets money in Euro directly from Wise's local bank account. To send money in USD to Euro, you pay a small flat fee of 7 USD plus 0.29% of the amount that's converted. Some transfer types have different fees, which are usually tiny. There are also no hidden fees, no big fees, hidden or otherwise, so it's cheaper than what you're used to. First, sign up online or in our app for free. All you need is an email address or a Google or Facebook account. Then, tell them how much you want to send. It will show you the fees upfront and tell you when your money should arrive. Now fill in the details of your recipient's bank account. For some currencies or for larger transfers, it needs a photo of your ID. This helps you keep your money safe. After that, send your money with a bank debit or ACH, wire transfer, or a debit or credit card. You can track your transfer in your account, and it will tell your recipient it's coming. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.